simplify. This is pretty much college algebra. So we need to combine these three fractions. First we need to find the LCD. We factor the bottom. We factor the bottoms if possible. So this is 1 over x, so nothing factors. X is already factored. Minus, this is 1 over x square minus 2x. We can factor x out. Then that leaves x minus 2 plus, now 2 over x square minus 4. 4 is 2 squared, so it's like difference of 2 squares. So we know the formula, u squared minus v squared. Difference of 2 squares is u plus v times quantity u minus v. So this is x squared minus 2 squared. Okay, then this is x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, now we need to make the same bottom, the LCD, and if we look at carefully, x is there, x minus 2, and x plus 2. Okay, you don't have to write, but if you want to know what is the LCD, so x minus 2, x minus 2, and x plus 2. This is the LCD. Then for the first fraction we need to multiply by, x is already on the bottom, so we need to multiply by x minus 2, x plus 2. So x minus 2, x plus 2 on the top, same thing on the bottom, x minus 2, x plus 2. In the second fraction, what is missing? X and x minus 2 are on the bottom, so x plus 2. So we multiply x plus 2 by over x plus 2. For the third fraction, x is missing, so we multiply x over x. Okay, now we have the LCD, so we have the common denominator, which is the LCD, x minus 2, x plus 2. Here in the first fraction we have x minus 2 times x plus 2. In fact, we can multiply these two binomials, x minus 2 and x plus 2. If we multiply means FOIL. By the way, x minus 2, x plus 2, that is coming from x square minus 4. Factoring, we get x plus 2, x minus 2. If we multiply, distribute, we get back to x square minus 4. When we multiply these two terms, these two factors, the middle two terms cancel. So if you multiply x to x, x to 2x to 2, you get x squared minus 4. Here is minus sign, so whenever you have minus sign in the front, you have to be careful. Either you put parentheses around or distribute. So I'm going to distribute. Negative 1 times x plus 2, negative 1 times x, negative x, negative 1 times positive 2, just negative 2. And here is plus sign, 2 times x to x. Okay, now on the top, so whenever we combine fractions, we keep writing the bottom, just simplify the top, and at the end we factor the top and cancel common factor if they have any. So here is x square on the top, now plus 2x minus x. Okay, we can combine these two, plus 2x minus x, subtract just plus x, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Okay, do not cancel anything, we need to factor the top. If it factors and if we have common factors on the top and bottom, then we cancel. So bottom is x minus 2, x plus 2. So let's factor this trinomial. Okay, if it factors as a product of two binomials. So x squared, x, 6, negative 6, we need to find two factors so that when we combine we get plus x. So to get plus 6 is 3 times 2, and to get plus, that goes on the bigger and minus. Okay, and if you look at closely, x minus 2 is a block, x minus 2 cancel, and whatever left is the answer, x plus 3 on the top. Since we have only this, We don't have to put parentheses around, or if you like you can put on the bottom x times x plus 2. Okay, do not cancel x. This is x plus 3 is in fact a block. Final.